How to add a new user login on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Settings option. Now, from the left side menu bar, tap on the Users and Group option. Now, by default, you can see the main admin account and the guest user. So, to allow guest login, tap on the I button or the info button next to the guest user, and further toggle on the Allow guest to log into this computer toggle button and activate guest login. These are the permissions to allow or disallow guest users. So tap on the OK option you see there to save the changes and turn on guest login. Without a password, anyone can use your Mac now. So to create a password protected account, macOS allows you to create a new user from here. So tap on the Add User option you see there and enter your Mac login password and verify. So further go ahead and select the type of the account that you want to create from the three types of user accounts, that is administrator, standard, and sharing only. Depending on the type of account the user has permission to install apps, make system changes, manage users, access files, and show on the screen. I will select standard here. Now further, give the user's details like full name, username, which can also be auto-generated, and if you want, you can edit that. Further, enter your new user account password and re-enter the same password in the verify field. Lastly, there is a password hint to help you easily recall it if you forget on the login screen. Once you fill in all the details correctly, note it's somewhere. Now, with this, your account has been created successfully, and if you want to quickly switch between all user accounts, then enable fast user switching from the control center. So, from the menu bar of the left side of your screen, tap on the control center settings and scroll down and select the Show in Menu Bar option with three different options. Here, as you can see, the username appears at the top. Now, you can easily switch users from here now. So this is how you can add a new user login on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.